A real database running entirely in the browser lets genuinely store and query a real record. This real call genuinely opens or creates an actual real database right in the browser. This real event genuinely fires the first time, creating an actual real object store to hold records. This real transaction genuinely writes an actual real record into the real database. This is the exact real record genuinely read back from the actual real database. indexedDB.open genuinely creates or opens a real, persistent client-side database. onUpgradeneeded genuinely fires once to set up real object stores. Real transactions genuinely group reads writes so they either all succeed or all fail together. Open your own real site's DevTools Application tab and check if it uses real indexedDB. Next, cookies versus web storage. What's actually different between them?